At OrbitKey, we believe that life is better when everything has its place. Because when it doesn't, we find ourselves spending time rummaging through mess looking for things, when we'd much rather be organised and productive. So we set out to find a solution. Introducing Nest, the portable and customisable desk organiser for all your everyday essentials. Nest is designed to help you declutter and work more efficiently wherever you are. Following 3 successful crowdfunding campaigns where we transformed key and accessory organisation, we're back to bring beautiful organisation to your work. The lid serves as a premium leather tray, creating a dedicated place for your essentials, with a built-in wireless charger that keeps devices charged while you work, so they're always ready to go. Inside, movable dividers allow you to customise compartments to suit your specific needs. And with everything neatly organised in a shallow compartment, you'll easily locate items at a glance and know instantly if something is missing. Nest features a smart, dual-function hinge system for maximum versatility. The top tray separates from the internal storage for convenient access while you work. Or simply flip it open like a book for quick access on the go. And as for those cards that you don't use often, store them in the lid to free up space in your wallet. Also included is an elastic pouch for smaller items that tend to go astray. And finally, the adjustable pen loop ensures you always have easy access to a pen when you need it. Nest is carefully crafted from premium materials. The foam padded interior will keep your belongings safe and protected as you go about your daily commute. Available in 2 timeless colourways, black and ash, the OrbitKey Nest makes the perfect home for your everyday essentials.
What if you could touch control all kinds of screens using a single device? With Glemos, that's not just a dream. Meet Glemos, a smart device that creates a virtual touchscreen anywhere. Glemos turns screens instantly interactive and lets you control them even from a distance. Chris became a magical presenter. All it takes to control his slides is his hands. Lucy is not glued to the phone anymore. Glemos brought her favorite game to life size, and now the entire family can play it together. Glemos creates a virtual touchscreen literally anywhere in the air and even on a wall. And all of this happened in the blink of an eye. Just plug it in and it's ready to work its magic. This is only possible thanks to our LiDAR technology. Glemos senses motion with a rotating mirror module, converts it into touch points, and delivers it to the device. Glemos comes to the rescue when your hands are messy and you need to swipe through your recipe, or when you wish you could just browse with your hands without touching the remote. Explore the seamless possibilities of Glemos and bring your devices to life, anywhere you want with all kinds of devices. Experience a whole new level of comfort, convenience, and fun. The choice is yours. Glemos.
This is Cuppa, a cordless touch LED lamp with minimalist design and can be easily carried around. Yeah, we mean literally from indoors to outdoors. The 360-degree Any Touch provides on-off control from any position on the base. No more fumbling around for a tiny switch on the cord. The stepless dimming gives your favorite type of illumination, and the memory mode allows you to turn Cuppa back on each time with the previous brightness level. Featuring Type-C fast charging, Cuppa can last for 2 hours with only 10 minutes charging. With a full charge, it can even last as long as 12 hours. Cuppa only weighs the same as a cup of coffee. And the sticky base pad makes Cuppa extremely steady, giving it zero chance of falling off. Cuppa comes in 3 colors and blends in with all types of furniture and decorations. It's flame retardant, waterproof, and there's even no risk of an electrical shock. This is Kappa, a minimalist yet functional LED touch lamp with extraordinary quality that you can carry around anywhere. Kappa.